Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's quickly see what we can do with this Seiko fabric on my hand. Yes, so the division is 50-50, and for those of you who don't really like head wrap that is very high, please come closer. This head wrap is for you. If you look at the previous style that I posted, it's almost the same steps. All right, so placing it on your head this way, you're going to take some plates, about 3 plates to be precise. I took 3 plates here so that I'll be able to close the back. All right, but if you want to keep the back open, you have to take a lot of plates. All right, so you can see what I am doing there now. So after taking the plates, I will arrange the plate very well to make sure that they align with each other very well. So pay close attention to my hand. Don't tell me you cannot do this. This is the easiest way you can create your fan head wrap, fan igili, or whatever you call it. You can even go ahead and call it television igili, no problem. All right, so arranging the pleat now, taking everything to the back this way, just cross it, simple crossing, don't knot it. All right, so just cross it this way and bring everything back to the front. Now this is what we're going to do. As I said in my previous video, pay close attention here. Now this is where the style comes in. All right, so folding it into two this way. All right, folding it into two this way, and then you started pleating. You start pleating. Watch closely now. Fold it into two, arrange it very well. Then you start pleating it this way. I hope you'll see what I am doing. Just pleat and pleat and pleat until you exhaust that particular side that you are holding. If you check this style and the previous style that I did, you see that it's not exactly the same. All right, so this one is pointing, but that one I folded. There is a way this fan I brought it down, but the way this one is now, you cannot bring this one down. If you bring it down, the fan will scatter. So watch that previous video and watch this one. You'll be able to spot the difference. Yes, there is difference. You'll be able to do that. All right, so twisting it this way. All right, the remaining side now, I'm going to twist everything, then raise it up and use it to hold the head wrap. So if you are the type that you are afraid of using pin, please come closer. This head wrap is for you. We are not using much pin here. I didn't use much pin. So using that other side now you twisted to hold this side that you pleated, then take everything to the back. Anyway it stop, use your pin to hold it. As I said before, I'm still saying it. In the previous video, the head wrap I used was very long, so I have to take it to the back and tuck it in. But this one now is not long, so just twist it. Anywhere it stop, you use your pin to pin it there. If it's long enough for you to take it to the back completely and tuck it in, beautiful. All right, so just use office pin and hold it. All right, so coming to the to work in the front now, just raise this place up and you spread your fan. You see, just spread the fan and arrange it. So see this place I'm holding now, I drag it down. That is if the fabric is long enough. That was what I did in the previous video, but this one now I'm not dragging it down. Okay, so I just spread that part that is down, the one that I use that twisted part to hold at the back. Just spread it a little bit, then pin it together with the measure fan. Your head wrap is ready. Just arrange it and you are good to go. Beautiful, elegant. Can't you see? Very easy, very simple. So don't say you cannot do it. Try it and you will see it's very easy. Now coming to close the back now, just bring the whole excesses and fold them inside. Bring it down and use your office pin to hold it. Your head wrap is ready. All right, if this is the first time you're coming across my video, my channel, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igile Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. All right, so you can see that handle that I pinned has loose. So all what you need to do is just to twist it back. You can see it now. Just twist it back and use pin to hold it. There is nothing to panic. All right, because already I have pinned it together from this side, so it cannot lose. So just, you can see it now. just twist it and pin it back. You can see the back is beautifully closed and the head wrap is elegantly ready. All right, so as I said before, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Gile Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Please do well to drop your like and your comment. Don't just watch and walk away. I am begging you, help me to stay tuned on this channel. Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe so that whenever I drop video, we work together. Yes, let's learn together. Let's learn together. So wear your dancing shoe and let's dance and dance and dance and party together. Thanks for watching, old and new subscribers. See you in my next